Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 unique aspects of selling an HVAC business versus any other business. Hi, I'm Nolan Baum. I'm an actual business broker, and let's get into it. Here are the top 10 unique aspects of selling an HVAC business. Number one, buyers will want to know the percentage of residential versus commercial clients. The more residential, the better. Buyers and banks are typically scared of new construction because new construction is directly related to the ups and downs of new construction markets. In contrast, residential HVAC is always in demand regardless of the macroeconomics. Number two, buyers will need to understand seasonality. Spring and fall, not so busy. These are called shoulder seasons. The hot seasons and cold seasons are busiest. That's sort of common sense, but it's still important to understand and keep in mind when you're analyzing financials and especially monthly debt service coverage ratios. Number three, how many maintenance agreements does the HVAC business have? This does not directly affect your baseline valuation, but more maintenance agreements, the more you can negotiate a higher multiple. Number four, how your technicians are paid. Are they paid hourly? Hourly plus spiffs, which are one-time bonus payments for selling specific products or services, or salary plus commission. I could make an entire whole video of the different compensation structures for HVAC techs. Number five, percentage breakdowns of revenue. What percentage of your revenue comes from service work, change outs, etc.? Number six, how much you're spending on marketing and what you're spending your marketing dollars on. Buyers will ask sometimes, if you turned off your marketing dollars, would your phone still ring? Number seven, the bigger the HVAC business, the higher the multiple of earnings will be, of course. But what you don't know is that HVAC businesses are more location sensitive than other businesses. Is your HVAC business in a major city or in a rural area? Is it in a really hot state or is it in a cold state near Canada? The hotter your state, the better, or even the colder your state, the better. That's just simple supply and demand. Number eight, understanding inventory management. Most HVAC businesses don't keep a lot of parts in stock. They order it today and it's delivered tomorrow or even the same day. It's important to understand that as you're analyzing balance sheets and inventory. A super interesting thing for HVAC businesses and plumbing businesses is that parts sales reps will manage your inventory for you if you're big enough, and they'll order new parts when your inventory gets low enough. A second point to know about parts management is that suppliers will deliver the parts you need to your job site so that your techs can keep working and finish the job quickly. This happens a lot more in bigger cities, not so much in smaller towns, obviously. Number nine, the licensing situation. The licensing requirements to run an HVAC business vary depending on where you live. It might take you 7 years to get a license, or you might not need a license at all. If the buyer is getting an SBA loan to buy your HVAC business, then the lender will be very strict on the licensing before they'll fund the deal. Number 10, the last unique aspect of selling an HVAC business is the warranty situation. There are manufacturer warranties, the contractor's labor warranties, and optional extended warranties. But the service and extended warranties are what stand out here. What are the durations of each of the warranties? Do you need to have an insurance license to sell the extended warranties? That's determined on a state-by-state basis, but you'll need to know that. In conclusion, here are the 10 unique aspects of selling an HVAC business. Number one, what's the percentage of residential versus commercial clients? Number two, understanding seasonality. Number three, the number of maintenance agreements. Number four, how your technicians are paid. Number five, percentage breakdown of revenue, service, work, change outs, etc. Number six, your marketing spend and how you're advertising. Number seven, things that uniquely affect HVAC multiples, like hot and cold states or urban versus rural areas. Number eight, understanding inventory management. Number nine, the licensing situation. And lastly, number 10, the warranty situation. Hopefully that gives you an idea of some of the unique aspects buyers need to know before they'll buy your HVAC business. If you want to learn more about how to sell your business for top dollar, then subscribe and we'll catch you in the next video in the top right hand corner of the screen.